Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. Today we'll be seeing how to crochet this very easy scarf. This scarf, after blocking, measures about 14 inches wide and I made it 70 inches long. Both length and width are adjustable. You can find a written pattern in my blog thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. Link is provided in the description box as well as the comment section. I used around 800 meters of category 2 or sport weight yarn, and the hook I used is 4 mm. Let's begin. First make a slip knot. Then make 74 chains. These chains are in multiples of 4 plus 2 additional, so 72 plus 2, that is 74 chains. I am making a smaller sample here. Let's begin the first row. Make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. And then work one single crochet in rest of the chains across, so you'll have 73 single crochets. Let's begin the second row. Make 3 chains. This will count as the first stitch. Turn and work double crochet in the next stitch. Now let's start the repeats. Make 1 chain, skip the next stitch and work double crochet into the next stitch. 1 chain, skip next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this across. Finally, you'll have 1 stitch left. Work a double crochet into this last stitch. Next is row 3. Make 3 chains. This will count as the first stitch. Turn and now work 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Then 1 double crochet into the chain 1 space. Double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet in the next space. Repeat this across and you should have 73 stitches. Last stitch is worked into the top of the turning 3 chains. Next is the fourth row. You will be repeating row 2. Make 3 chains, turn and work double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1, skip the next stitch and work double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, double crochet into the next stitch. Repeat this across. Finish the row with double crochet in the top of the turning 3 chains. Next is row 5. Make 3 chains, turn, and now skip the next chain 1 space and then work a double crochet into the next chain 1 space. Then make 3 chains and now work 3 double crochets in the post of the double crochet that we just worked. Now skip the next chain 1 space and work a double crochet into the next space. Make 3 chains, then work 3 double crochets into the post of the double crochet just completed. Then skip the next chain 1 space and work double crochet into the next chain 1 space. Then make 3 chains and work 3 double crochets into the previous double crochet. Repeat this across. After the last 3 double crochets, complete the row with a double crochet worked into the last stitch. Next is row 6. Make 7 chains. This will count as a treble and 3 chains. Turn and work a double crochet in the space after the 3 double crochets. So you'll have the space between the 3 double crochets and the 3 chains. Work a double crochet here and then make 3 chains. Again work a double crochet in the space after the next 3 double crochets. Again 3 chains. Double crochet in the space after the next 3 double crochets. Repeat this across. This is the last double crochet. Then work 3 chains and work a treble in the last stitch. So yarn over twice, insert hook in the top of the turning 3 chains and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Next is row 7, chain 1 and turn, and now work a single crochet into the treble, then 3 single crochets in the next chain 3 space, single crochet in the next stitch, 3 single crochets in the next chain 3 space, single crochet in the next stitch, 3 single crochets in the next chain 3 space, single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this across and you'll have 73 single crochets in this row. When you reach the last space, work 3 single crochets into the space and 1 single crochet in the 4th chain. This completes this row. You'll be repeating rows 2 to 7 as many times as you want. Row 2 is the chain 1 space row. You'll start with 3 chains and then work a double crochet into the next stitch, and then you'll work 1 chain, then skip next stitch and work double crochet into the next stitch. Repeat this across, finishing with a double crochet in the last stitch. You'll repeat row 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, which is a single crochet row, as many times as you want until you reach the desired length of your scarf. I'll be working a simple border around the edges because even after blocking you might find that the edges are slightly uneven and not very straight. So this is optional. If you don't want the border, you can skip it. You'll finish the scarf with row 4, which is the chain space row, and then work a row of single crochets. And now let's continue with the border. We're going to work across the length. Make 1 chain and work a single crochet in the first stitch, in the corner single crochet stitch. Then make 1 chain, and now into this row, which is the double crochet row, work double crochet, 1 chain, double crochet, 1 chain, double crochet, 1 chain and double crochet. Let's call this a shell. Then make 1 chain, work a single crochet in the single crochet row, then make 1 chain and work a shell in the 5th row. Repeat. Then chain 1 and single crochet in the 4th row. Repeat, which is the chain 1 space row. We'll start the repeats. Chain 1 and work a shell in the double crochet row. Then chain 1 and single crochet in the single crochet row. Then chain 1 and shell in the 5th row. Repeat, which is the slanted double crochet row. Then chain 1 and single crochet in the chain 1 space row, which is row 4 repeat. Repeat these stitches until you reach the other corner. I've completed one side, and now let's see how to work on the other side. So we'll be finishing with a single crochet in the corner stitch and then make one chain, skip 2 stitches and work a shell into the next stitch. Then chain 1, skip the next 2 stitches and work a single crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1, skip 2 stitches and work shell in the next stitch. Then skip 2 stitches and work single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat these stitches across, finishing with single crochet in the last stitch. Similarly, complete the other two sides, and after finishing, block your shawl. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.